Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the image you want in Photos. Once chosen, tap Share to reveal editing or duplicate options. Then, open Settings and go directly to Wallpaper so you can set layout and behavior consistently. Make sure to check orientation and resolution because iPhone crops differently for lock versus home screens, and that affects composition. Once done with these first checks, you'll move into cropping, perspective, and preview steps to guarantee a clean final look. Now you adjust how the image fills the screen. Tap Move and Scale and pinch to zoom until the subject fits with room for icons. You can toggle perspective zoom to create parallax motion or disable it for a fixed image. Live photos will animate on the lock screen if enabled. Make sure to preview both home and lock layouts because widgets and app icons can obscure faces or text, and once satisfied, you'll choose whether to set both screens or only one. To finish, tap Set and pick lock screen, home screen, or both. The change applies immediately. If the image looks oddly cropped or blurry afterward, use a higher resolution photo and repeat the move and scale step to preserve detail. If the wallpaper fails to apply or reverts, restart the iPhone, check for an iOS update, and confirm storage isn't full. One key troubleshooting tip: restart first. Many minor glitches clear with a reboot, saving you extra edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.